Hello, everyone. It's me, Nick Thomas, MHR Off-Road. Some of you might have been wondering where Thomas has been in a couple of our videos and things, and he's been having issues with the Bronco, and he's been building this ginormous shop that we're in currently.
Yeah, so what else is new? Bronco's broke, right? But yeah, I've been building, or having built, because I don't have the skills to do that. I've had this shop built. It's a 42 by 50 with 14-foot ceiling, so I can put a lift in. Had the guys from DBI Outdoors, their local company, come in. They graded, poured the concrete, had the shop put up, within 2 to 3 weeks total, so very fast. If you guys want any more of an in-depth tour of the shop, or any questions on it, or if you want to have your own built and you just want to ask me about it, let us know in the comments.
So it is late October, and we finally did it after we're almost at a year of trying really hard, minus the summer because everyone was broke during the summer.
Yeah, it's hot.
We finally hit 500 subscribers, and Thomas and I decided 200 subscribers ago, 500 was like a good milestone for us to start with. So we're going to give away shirts to start with. This will be the shirt that we give away. I think we're going to choose some words at the end of this video, towards the end of this video, to have people comment in the video. And then Thomas and I will just do a short thank you video, and we'll pick 2 comments. I'll pick one, he'll pick one, just at random, and we'll reach out to those people and try to get some shirts given to them. We got a few different colors, I guess, and I'll get them packed up and sent to people.
Yeah, that sounds good. Looking forward to giving away some shirts. For real, thank you guys. We're still a very small YouTube channel. We're trying our best. So keep watching our videos and keep subscribing and keep telling your friends. Maybe they'll get a shirt one day. So with all that being said, I guess we're going to kind of get to work on the Bronco. What I believe is going on, everyone, is I think the ring gear has failed. That's causing the starter pinion gear to just create gear clash, make a lot of noise, and not effectively turn the engine over. I'm sure you guys have had this happen, or some of you have probably had this happen before. It is something that can happen with manual transmission. Don't touch that. It is something that can happen with manual transmissions. So I'm going to start getting this thing out. I'm going to replace the flywheel because it's more cost effective to replace it and have it resurfaced nowadays. And I'm going to do a clutch job while I'm at it and see if there's anything else going on. So I guess watch us get to work.
Why is the Bronco broke?
Because it's a Bronco II. It's always broke. It's been broke for, I don't even know how long. It's been broke since I bought it, I think.
All right, so he's got the transmission out, and then I guess he's gonna, in another video, or he'll just do it on his free time, depending on how he feels. He'll slap a new flywheel clutch, everything you just said. And
animals in here. Yeah, I've got a new flywheel on the way, and I've got some warranty stuff to claim for pretty much everything else. And then I'll bolt up the flywheel, get the clutch, everything in, step the transmission back, and see if that does it. It's been a good clutch. It lasted for just shy of 7 years.
So it's got some hard miles on it.
Yeah, off-road miles seem to be pretty good with it.
Some rock crawling, stony, couple stony lonesomes.
Yeah.
So it's got a good a lot of friction on it.
Just buy an automatic.
And technically, it wasn't the clutch that failed you. It's in theory, we're hoping it's the flywheel that has failed you.
Yeah, I mean, that's true. I'll get a good look at the clutch. I mean, I didn't see any friction material falling out, you know. So maybe I can drive a stick.
Well, thanks for watching this. I'm assuming this is going to be a short video. So for the keyword, we kind of talked about it. I don't know. What do we agree on?
I like broke Bronco.
All right.
What do you?
That's fine. I'm okay with both. I think
we're doing
funny.
2, right?
Yeah. Yes. Well, no.
Okay.
Oh, you want to do 2 keywords?
Oh, I mean, we could. We're giving away 2 shirts.
Yeah, I guess we could.
First person to comment broke Bronco, you get a shirt.
All right. Yeah, we'll do first comment that is broke Bronco. We'll get with you and we'll figure out how to get a shirt to you, and then.
What's your keyword?
I don't know what mine's going to be. I want it to be funny, but I want it to be...
Junky Jeep.
No, I want it to be... This is the Bronco video. I want it to be Bronco related.
Okay.
I'm thinking about just like flywheel or something, you know. I'm hoping that it's just the teeth on the flywheel. So my ring gear, my word will be ring gear, because that's what I hope has failed. Just the ring gear on the flywheel. Okay. So first person to comment broke Bronco will get a shirt from... technically Thomas, and then the person that comments ring gear will get one for me. So first 2 people. So the people that stuck through and watched this, we'll see if anybody comments, because we get like, I don't know, 4 or 5 comments a video. Yeah. So we're not really heavy on comments.
Yeah, there's not a whole lot of competition, but still, maybe this will get more.
Yeah. So we have a few colors that you can pick from, but we'll get with you in the comments. So we'll figure out a way to get in touch. Email, Facebook, Instagram, something.
Yeah, one step at a time. Comment first.
Yeah.
And subscribe. Yeah. And then tell your friends.
And we'll do a short video. Maybe when he's got this running again, we'll do a short video of who's getting them. We'll reach out or respond to the comment before, but I think maybe we'll do it again, and maybe we'll do 1,000. You know, that's the next big like goal of our YouTube journey, I feel like. So once we get to 1,000, we'll do it again. Maybe we'll do more than one.
Maybe we have sponsors at that time.
Yeah,
you guys can get something else with your t-shirt.
That is true. Or maybe even a merch store at the time.
Yeah, maybe a coffee cup. I like coffee. Maybe I'll send you a coffee cup.
Yeah, a morning mug. We're thinking about doing a segment on the camping trips called Thomas Morning Mug, but he hasn't pulled the trigger yet. So we got to figure out some iron kinks.
Maybe it was a 500 subscriber thing in my mind. So if you guys would like to see a morning mug with Thomas, where I just drink a cup of black coffee and talk about where we're at, what we're doing, and you know, if you would like that,
I think it'd be funny.
Let us know.
Funny. Think that you got anything else you want to pitch in about this?
No. Wish me luck. I'm gonna try to get it re-stabbed back in, or start on it this weekend at the latest. So hopefully that's it, and I can start going on some. We can start camping again, going on some trips. This is kind of our heavy season, being October. Basically October on, once the heat wears off just a little bit. Winter is nothing. Get a diesel heater. It doesn't matter if it's cold. And
we've done it.
Yeah, because we'll go from October to March, April. Yeah.
So we lose people in the colder months, but for the most part,
they're not real ones.
Well. All right, well, I think that'll be it. Hopefully it's a short video. Thanks for watching. Comment, get a shirt.
We'll see you out on the trail.
Bye.